All right, let's deal with a Cosy spectrum. And that's the Cosy GPQF double click. And it might take a while to bring up this data. Since it's a two-dimensional file, it's a lot bigger. Okay, so here we go. So you have a proton dimension on top and a proton dimension on the left. And you see these cross peaks. Okay. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to reduce the intensity of this spectrum, because you'll see all of these little peaks here and here. Okay, these are just noise, or there's maybe from a small impurity. But we need to reduce the intensity by hitting the divide by 2. Or you can use the mouse this wheel mouse if you have it. Okay, you just divide by 2 until you get to the point where the peaks, get rid of all those little peaks, and you have these big kind of solid looking intense peaks around. So what this is signifying is that this proton up here, okay, you go down and you see that it has a cross peak with this proton right there. So the two proton peaks that have the black lines on them right now, the top axis and the left axis, those are coupled. So they're near each other, generally 3 bonds away. Okay. Remember, anything along this axis, this diagonal axis, is nothing. Don't deal with this peak, this cross peak right here, because that's the proton at 8.03 is coupled to the proton at 8.03. Those are the same protons. It's a cross peak between the same protons. So just ignore anything along this diagonal line.